Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to modify Dodge Challenger in Car Parking Multiplayer. Begin by choosing the exact Challenger model and enter the Garage Customization menu to access parts. Focus on visual kits first, then tune performance gradually. Test each change on the track to confirm handling and speed balance. Keep backups of your save to restore if a mod causes unwanted behavior or errors. Pick a consistent theme for your Challenger and start with exterior mods to define the style. Swap bumpers, add a hood scoop, and fit a spoiler that matches the car's proportions. Choose paint and vinyl layers carefully to avoid clashing colors and reduce visual noise. Finally, select rims and tire sizes that balance appearance with the handling you want, then preview changes in daylight and night scenes for accuracy. Begin performance work by installing engine and exhaust upgrades to increase power and throttle response. Next, lower and stiffen the suspension slightly, upgrade brakes, and select tires that match your driving style for better cornering. Fine-tune gear ratios and ECU settings to trade off between quick launches and higher top speed. Always test on a closed course within the game to dial and balance before making permanent changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.